Welcome back to the channel. One more update on Extar 9 configuration. For those that didn't know or didn't notice, there is a QD sling attachment at the bottom of the mounting plate for the brace, which works just well, quite well actually. I did have to install the actual QD mount before attaching the sling because there is very little space. But look at how nice the brace is configured to allow your finger for the quick removal of the sling. The other part, I moved the finger rest to the complete last slot on the lower rail on the handguard. It's actually more comfortable than having it one slot less. Again, live and learn. This becomes more comfortable for the hand positioning, and as you probably have noticed, I changed the optic installed on this firearm. Right now this is a Monstrum Tactical 1X Prism scope. Just like all 1X's, zero parallax. It has a very simple reticle, and it has ability to illuminate it if need be. There is a battery inside. We'll see how it works out at the range and go from there. One thing to notice, and this is something I didn't pay attention, this is a B5 pistol grip on this gun, and it is extremely comfortable for holding it in a short up-close configuration. In fact, it's very comfortable. It's more comfortable than I expected. Even though I use it on some of my ARs, they're longer and they don't provide quite as much comfort difference than this. So this is my current config. I am still thinking on how I'm going to make this light positioning permanent and whether I want to get any iron sights. Probably not. Very small rail with things that I have on it, and they probably wouldn't work with the Prism. I do like having ability to have a backup, but considering this is not a red dot, this can work without the battery. I think it might not be necessary. If I kept a red dot, I would have probably put a backup sights set on this gun, which would have affected the way the light pressure panel resides on it. I'm also getting additional modules to manage the cable. Right now this is not the best way, as you can probably see, for the light, even though it works, and I need to make sure that the panel does not move around. Velcro is not necessarily the best for that approach, even though I can probably put the Velcro in between the aluminum and the actual handguard underneath. There's quite a bit of distance between the barrel and that location, and it might provide a better option, though to be determined. So that's my last update on this firearm until I hit the range. I installed a sling, very basic QD and easily configurable and detachable sling, bungee cord for most of it, and we'll see how it fits and how it works. We'll see you on the next channel. Please click like if you like, please comment, click dislike if you don't like, and subscribe if you can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This was a tabletop update on my EP9, making it perfect progress.